everyone, I'm Sachi here. In this video, you're gonna get a clear idea on what are word classes. So, if you want to learn what are word classes, stay with us. As you know, there are millions of words in English language. So, do you know what are the types of those words? And are there any categories of these words? Yeah, we can categorize those words into several parts. This categorization is called word classes, right? So, under word classes, we can divide the words in the English language into separate parts. First, we can divide these words into two main parts as open class and closed class. Under open class, there are four types of words as nouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs. And under closed class, we can speak about prepositions, conjunctions, determiners, interjections and also pronouns. In this video, we're going to introduce you only what are word classes, right? In our upcoming videos, we will discuss all the details on these word classes one by one, right? Let's see what is open class. Open means it is open to the world. Under this open class, these four types, it means nouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs are always open. That means day by day new words can be added to this class. For example, intermittent fasting, AI, information pollution, crypto, COVID-19, likewise, lot of words can be added to this class day by day. New words can be added to this class. There is not a particular number of words under this class. So we can't say there are 1000 nouns. There are 1500 nouns. Likewise, there is not a particular number of words under this category because new words are added to this class every day. But when we talk about closed class, it is always closed. So, new words can't be added to this class day by day. There is a particular number of words under these topics. There is a particular number of prepositions, there is a particular number of interjections, or there is a particular number of pronouns. So, it is closed. So, let's see what we have to discuss under these separate topics, right? First, what are nouns? Under open class, our first topic is nouns. Let's see what are nouns. Nouns are naming words for people, places, things, animals or ideas. For example, teacher, city, book, freedom, dog, likewise. In our upcoming video, we will discuss what are nouns in detail, right? Then, under open class, our next topic is adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, right? Adjectives can give more details on nouns. For example, big, red, beautiful. Here, red pen. Red is an adjective and pen is a noun. So here, the noun pen is described by the adjective red. It is not just a pen, it is a red pen, right? So the word red describes the noun pen. Under open class, our next word category is verbs. Verb is the most important thing in the English language. So you must get a clear idea on verbs if you want to learn English. Right, let's see what are verbs. Verbs are the most important thing you must learn in the English language. So let's see what are verbs. Verbs are action words that describe what someone or something does. For example, run, jump, think, and write likewise. It is an action word. There is an action in that verb. Right? Clear? Right. Let's see what are adverbs. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. So we can describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb using adverbs. Clear? Right. For example, fast, well, clearly, beautifully. These are some of adverbs. Let's see the example here. Run fast. He can run fast. He can run. It's only just an action. But we can modify that action using an adverb. Run fast. Fast. Right? Clear? Right. Let's see what are the topics we have to discuss under closed class. Let's see what are prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in a sentence. Right? These are some of prepositions. In, on, at, by, and with, etc. These are only some of prepositions, but when we learn the lesson prepositions, we have to discuss more prepositions, right? Our next topic is conjunction. What are conjunctions? It connects the things, right? Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses, right? For example, and, but, oh, so, yet. Likewise, there are few conjunctions to learn. Under closed class, our next topic is to discuss is pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that replace nouns to avoid repetition. Clear? When we write sentences, we don't have to repeat the same noun because of these pronouns. He, she, it, they, and we. Here also we have to learn few types of pronouns under this lesson, right? Let's see what we have to learn next under closed class. Determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are words that come before nouns and specify something about their quantity, definiteness, or ownership. Some of examples are the, this, that, etc. Your next topic is interjections. What are interjections? Interjections are words or phrases that express strong emotion or surprise. We use these interjections most when we are speaking. Right? For examples, wow, oh no, yay, ouch. Likewise, those are called interjections. So like this, we can divide the words in the English language into separate parts. So this is only a video to introduce you what are word classes. But as I said before, we hope to discuss these topics in detail in our further videos, in our upcoming videos. So I invite you to share this video with your friends, and also please click the bell icon to subscribe and stay with us.